Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. Today with TinOne, GoldTerra, Discovery Silver and Denarius Silver. TinOne Resources acquired a 100% interest in the Rattler Range tin project in the northeast of the Australian state of Tasmania, expanding its portfolio and concessions in the rich northeast Tasmania tin province. This is in line with the strategy of acquiring historical tin deposits and then exploring them using the latest exploration technologies. Rattler Range consists of a 32 square kilometer exploration concession, is a highly prospective tin project located only 64 kilometers from the city of Launceston. Historical records indicate the presence of 47 named tin occurrences in a 12-kilometer long, northwest trending mineralized section that has been little explored since the 1980s. Initial priority targets include Bells Hill, where multiple mineralized veins ranging from 1.5 to 6 meter thickness occur over a strike length of at least 500 meters. Other priority targets include the several kilometers of tin-bearing alteration zones of Ruby Flats, Wars, Mammoth and Mount Paris. The price payment was made by issuing common shares of the company valued at 100,000 Canadian dollars. In addition, the vendor will receive a 2% NSR royalty, with TinOne having the right to repurchase half of the NSR for 1 million Canadian dollar in cash at any time upon notice to the NSR holder. GoldTerra confirmed a high-grade intercept of 9.36 grams gold per ton over 3 meters in the winter program in the Mispickel area of Yellowknife as part of the final assay results for all 19 holes totaling 6,011 meters drilled in the Mispickel area, including a higher-grade repeat assay for hole GTWL 2020-004, which reported visible gold, and assay results for the remaining 11 holes in the program. GoldTerra is consistently following its successful exploration path, and the stock is undervalued. Discovery Silver announced very strong results from the Pre-Feasibility Study metallurgical test program on representative samples from its Cordero project. This program represents the most comprehensive test work completed to date at Cordero. For example, the silver recovery showed 94 to 98%, the lead recovery 89 to 97%, and the zinc recovery 92 to 96% on high-grade samples of all major rock types. Mixed rock types and medium-grade samples showed recovery rates for silver of 83 to 92%, for lead 85 to 92%, and for zinc 81 to 89%. The oxide-sulfide mixture tests yielded oxide-specific recoveries of 60% for silver, 40% for lead, and 85% for zinc by flotation. The test work confirmed higher overall recoveries than assumed in the 2021 preliminary economic assessment, and reagent consumption was lower than assumed in the PEA. The grade of saleable concentrates was confirmed, and the levels of the penalty elements in the concentrates were insignificant. This is excellent data and should further improve the economics of Cordero, as the results will eliminate the heap leach process in the PFS and rationalize the crushing grinding circuit, as well as reduce initial capital expenditures. Also, the permitting process will be simplified, saving time and money. Discovery Silver is significantly undervalued. Denarius Metals announced its unaudited, condensed, consolidated interim financial statements and related MD&A for the 3 and 6 months ended 30th June this year. It was very pleased with the results of the first drilling program at Lomero in Spain. Confidence in the geological understanding of the deposit has been increased, and proper 3D modeling has been enabled in preparation for an updated mineral resource estimate by the end of the third quarter of 2022. A scoping study for Lomero is expected to be completed by the end of 2022. In Colombia, the option agreement with IAMGOLD for the 100% owned Zancudo project was terminated for reasons unrelated to the profitability of the project. One now has the opportunity to conduct its own exploration campaign. The evaluation of the exploration results of the work carried out by IAMGOLD over the last 5 years indicates that the project is a potential polymetallic deposit containing gold, silver, zinc and lead. Currently, the project team is putting together the execution of an exploration campaign at Zancudo, which is expected to begin later this year, and they are completing transition activities with IAMGOLD related to the exploration project and ongoing community programs. The company spent $4.7 million total on exploration and capital expenditures on its on their exploration projects in the first half of 2022, of which $3.9 million was spent on Lomero and $800,000 were spent on Guya Antigua in Colombia. As of 30th June, Denarius had cash of $7.5 million and is currently evaluating its options to raise additional funds to bring the Lomero project to PFS levels next year and to fund the continuation of ongoing exploration programs at its other projects next year too. Denarius Metals is completely undervalued and we see a great buying opportunity here. Please note the disclaimer that is now superimposed. The stocks discussed are part of the SRC's Mining Special Situations Certificate and I'm a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.